Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We put about negative tan s squared in here. That means we need to add about tan s squared. Later that we need to minus number 1. That means we need to put positive number 1. Because I want to create the factor to divide by this one. So this one, we can put about negative tan s squared. Because negative tan s squared with negative tan s squared, we have positive tan s to the power of 4. Negative tan s squared multiplied by number 1, that's about this one. This one we can put about negative 1 minus tan s squared. This one divide by this one divide by this one. So we have negative tan s squared minus number 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus tan s squared. Tan s squared we change for secant of s squared minus 1. And we need to open the parentheses. One minus 1 we cancel. The integration of secant of s squared, we have negative tan s. And now we just have this integration in here. Now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We need to multiply secant of s squared on numerator and denominator. Secant of s squared, that's about 1 plus tan s squared. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan s. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have secant of s squared ds. So this one we have u squared. This one we have u squared. Secant of s squared ds we change for du. One minus u squared, we can put about 1 minus u multiplied by 1 plus u. And now we can use about partial fractions. So 1 plus u squared in here, because denominator is about u squared. So numerator I will put about a u plus b. So we need to reduce 1 unit of the power for numerator. That's why we have 2 minus 1 and we have 1. And we have u squared plus 1. C over 1 minus u. D over 1 plus u. And now we do common denominator. So we have a u plus b multiplied by 1 minus u squared. C multiplied by u squared plus 1 and u plus 1. D multiplied by u squared plus 1 and 1 minus u. So we have denominator in here. we put this one go in here. So we need to expand this one. And this one. And this one. Now we need to arrange based on the term of u. About u to the power of 3, we have negative a plus c minus d. About u square, we have negative b plus c plus d. About u, that's about a plus c minus d. About nothing, we have b plus c plus d. Now, because we just have only number 1, so b plus c plus d equals to number 1. We don't have u square, and u to the power of 3. This one should be equal to number 0, 0, and 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we find the solution of a, b, c, d. So a equals to number 0, b equals to 1 over 2, c equals to 1 over 4, d equals to 1 over 4. And now we put this one in here. So a equals to number 0, b equals to 1 over 2, c equals to 1 over 4, d equals to 1 over 4. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about tan s. So we return back to this one. So we put this one go in here. Or tan with tan s, we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.